Amazing facts about dogs you never knew. Dogs are loyal companions for thousands of years. But do you really know how amazing they are? From super senses to incredible intelligence. Today we'll explore 10 amazing facts about dogs you probably never knew. Fact 1. See, dogs can smell your emotions. Dogs can actually smell human emotions through chemical changes in your body, especially fear and stress. Fact 2. See, nose prints are unique. Every dog has a unique nose print just like human fingerprints. Fact 3. See, super smell power. A dog's sense of smell is over 40 times stronger than ours. Some can even detect diseases like cancer or diabetes. Fact 4. See, dogs understand 250 words. Dogs can learn and understand up to 250 words or gestures that is more than a 2-year-old child. Fact 5. See, they dream like humans. When your dog twitches in sleep, they dreaming just like us. Fact 6. See, dogs can tell time. Dogs can sense time and know when it is time for food, walks, or when you'll return home. Fact 7. See, the fastest dog. Greyhounds are the fastest dogs, reaching speeds up to 45 mph. Fact 8. See, the smartest breeds. Border Collies and Poodles top the list of the most intelligent dogs. Dogs aren't just pets, they're family, protectors, and friends. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Dogs are amazing. From their emotional intelligence to their unique nose prints. Learn the top 10 surprising facts about man's best friend. Subscribe for more animal facts and stories every week.